and welcome to another episode of Mice Conversation uh, by Mice Affairs Media Group. As you know, the market is opening up, and we could soon see a lot of shows which are taking place in India right now from the travel and tourism. And in today's episode, we have Mr. Sandeepan Ghosh with us. Sandeepan is General Secretary for EHTTOA, which is Eastern Himalaya Travel and Tour Operators Association, and they are the organizer of Bengal Travel Mart, which is one of its kind show which takes place in Siliguri. So let's hear more about PTM this year from Sandeepan. Over to you, Sandeepan, for a quick introduction.
Much, Sachin, and it's a pleasure to be on the show, as always. Before we move forward, I'll just give you a small introduction about what ETHUA actually is. It's the Eastern Himalaya Travel and Tour Operators Association based out of Siliguri, but it is, we started in 2002 with a few members, and today it is the largest travel forum in the East and Northeast with more than 300 members. ETHUA in the last few years have done a lot of good work for tourism in this area. Keeping in mind cross-border tourism, we have signed MOUs with Bangladesh and with Nepal, with the leading travel associations in the respective countries, keeping in mind cross-border tourism and exchange of membership. So we have got very good connections across our neighboring countries, and since we are very strategically located, so it helps us to coordinate and cooperate among each other, which I think is the need of the hour, especially post-COVID. So Bengal Travel Mart is actually the flagship event of ETHUA. We have been organizing Bengal Travel Mart since 2016. In the year 2015, our Honorable Chief Minister, Srimati Mamata Banerjee, happened to meet us in a business meeting in Bhutan, where the seeds were sown, and we had discussions about a major travel mart in the lines of the Kerala Travel Mart, which we could organize in the eastern part of the country. She was very interested, and she was very appreciative of the fact that we put up a proposal of such kind, because back those days, there were very few travel marts happening across the country, and Kerala KTM was setting the benchmark for the rest to follow. So there was nothing in the eastern part of the country. We put up a proposal with the Chief Minister, and finally, in the month of January 2016, we had the first edition at Siliguri. This is an annual event. We organize this event every year in the month of January and February. And for obvious reasons, this year we all are aware that we're going through tough times and there are government protocols in place. So we have not been able to organize this event in the first 2 months of the year. But we are hopeful, in spite of the COVID situation, not entirely out of the what we expect to be normal. It's not yet normal, but we are confident that we should be able to go ahead with the edition this year, and so we have planned the 6th edition of the Bengal Travel Mart from 10th to 12th of April, and it's going to happen at the Mayfair Tea Resort, which is a lovely 5-star property which has come up in this region. This is the 6th edition, and we are very hopeful that post-COVID, this is going to be a launch pad for all the stakeholders in this region, and not only in this region, also stakeholders from across the country and stakeholders from across the border from Bhutan, Bangladesh, and Nepal, who will all assemble at this event. And we hope to give a lovely platform to the industry, and we hope to relaunch and take this forward from there.
Sure. Thank you, Mr. Ghosh. As you know that 2020 is like it's a gone year. Nobody wants to remember these times, and in 2021, everybody is talking about the restart, and restart has to be from the domestic tourism, as international borders are still closed; they are not open yet. So everyone, be it domestic player, inbound player, or an outbound, agencies, they are looking at promoting India, promoting domestic tourism at large. So I would like to know more about the theme this year of the VTM. What are the objectives? What is the theme set? And how are you planning?
Domestic travel mart in the eastern part of the country. So, by its nomenclature, we normally cater to the domestic market because we haven't got any buyers coming in from foreign countries. So, I think that itself will be a defining factor because in the next 2 years, as the industry leaders have been saying, and everybody is aware, we have to depend on domestic tourism. We started with the intra-state tourism. Now we are getting into interstate tourism. So I am sure this mart will encourage people to travel to this region. Another major factor that is going to come in is the fact that we have very, very few COVID cases in the northeast and eastern part of the country. In fact, Siliguri has touched zero levels in the last 10, 15 days. So that's very encouraging. Sikkim as a state has been very, very proactive in, monitoring the situation. So I'm sure the environment is that has been created in this region will help people to get confidence to come and travel, and hence this mart attains a lot of importance and significance because the people, the buyers and the sellers who are going to amalgamate and going to meet at this mart will also have, the buyers will have an opportunity to go for the fam trip, and they will actually have this first hand report and the first hand idea about the ground reality, and that is very important. And I believe the buyers who are coming in for BTM from across the country will have a lot of important role to play in this situation. They have to take their experience back and speak to the industry and speak to the people and the clients and the people in general about what exactly is the ground situation, provide the platform to the entire country for the for tourism to restart in a proper way. It's already restarted, but in a bigger way, and we are very, very encouraged by the fact that MICE has played a very important role in the last 2 months in the upliftment of tourism in this region. We have had very, very good groups coming in, and for obvious reasons, because the mice that was going out of the country is now actually distributed among the states in the country. So Northeast has grabbed that opportunity, and being almost COVID free place state, I think that has helped, and the confidence has been built up in the mind of the traveler. So we are very, very confident, but the domestic segment in terms of FITs and individual travelers, they will also have this opportunity to find out what exactly the situation is, and we will actually do well. I'm very, very confident about that.
Sure. Thank you, Mr. Ghosh. Now, I think let's talk about numbers. How has been the industry response so far to the BTM? And if you can, share some figures about the exhibitors and the number of visitors from the last year.
See, the fact that when we announced the BTM, and we are overwhelmed with the response from across the country because I think a few factors played in. As I said before, that this region has become a sort of a benchmark for the tourism to relaunch in the country because of the situation on the ground. We are getting very good response from the hotel chains who want to come and exhibit for obvious reasons, again because the hotel industry has suffered the most among the ancillary units in tourism. They have touched very low levels, and they would obviously want a platform from where they can relaunch. So we've had obviously Mayfair is our hospitality partner, so they're already with us. We've had the other chains who have come in. The Taj Group has come into Siliguri very recently, in fact, to Kersheong at Chiabari. So they are going to be a part of this whole this mart. We've got Courtyard. We have the Marriott Group here, which who are interested. So I think the industry generally has reacted very well. And among the people who are coming in as buyers and as invitees, I think we are very encouraged by the fact that very good profile people have shown interest, and they have actually volunteered to come and exactly find out and then take the responsibility to spread the positive word around. So the figures are very encouraging. Among exhibitors, as I said, hoteliers, travel agents, tour operators. We normally have, as a thumb rule, we have around 100, 115 exhibitors every year. This time, since we have got no constraint with space, as Mayfair has been built up very, very lavishly. So we are hoping to touch a figure of around 150 exhibitors for BTM 2021. And similarly, for buyers, we are very, very encouraged by the response. We have already had more than 450 buyers who applied, were registered for this edition. Unfortunately, we can't accommodate everyone. We are getting regular phone calls. We are getting people who are trying to, tell us that they want to come and experience the mart. But we're trying to accommodate as many as we can. Budget is, of course, a constraint, but we'll see, we'll hope, and we are confident that we'll try and accommodate the most we can.
Sure. Thank you, Mr. Ghosh, for speaking to us and sharing the details about upcoming BTM. I think BTM is going to set the stage right for the restart, which everybody is talking about. And wish you all luck for BTM 2021, and look forward to meet you very soon. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for having me.